As a mom and a full-time freelancer, ang biggest fear ko talaga ay yung magkasakit ako at maubos yung savings ng family. Ayoko kasi yung magbenta ng assets or manghiram sa parents ko. At mas lalong ayoko na maapektuhan ang pag-aaral ng panganay ko. I'm Donna Dairit Jimenez, wife and mom of 2. I'm a freelancer doing digital marketing. Noong 2019, nag-start yung headaches ko. Pero akala ko, dala lang ng stress, pagod at puyat because of my work. Then, lumala ng lumala. In 2021, sobrang grabe na yung pain. To the point na hinimatay ako. I was rushed to the ER, got confined, had MRI, and they discovered I had a brain tumor. At that time, I was also pregnant with my second child. On the same day, right after ko manganak via cesarean operation, I had brain surgery. I am so thankful to be alive. Kami ng baby ko. Pero reality sets in. As a full-time freelancer, kapag walang work, wala din kita. Paano namin babayaran ng kulang-kulang 1 million na hospital bills? Lahat ng fears ko nagkatotoo. Pero buti na lang, my dad reminded me na meron akong insurance. In 2015, kumuha ako ng insurance from Sun Life for me and my family. Nung una, hesitant pa ako kasi naisip ko gastos lang yan. Pero my dad, who is also a Sun Life policy holder, convinced me. Sabi niya, maganda yan kasi nagsisimula kayo ng pamilya. I've also realized that time na kung nakakagastos nga ako sa mga luho, then dapat nakakapag-spend din kami to secure our future, especially our daughters. Our insurance policies from Sun Life became our saving grace. Winidraw namin yung fund value ng policies namin, and that helped us cover part of our hospital bills. Tapos, nakapag-claim pa ako ng benefits na nakatulong sa amin dahil 1 taon ako walang full-time work. Thank you, Sun Life, my partner for life. It freed me from my greatest fears. Being fearless is the best gift that you can give to your future self.